channel. My name is Trendy Eve. Today's video is going to be about Kendall Jenner. Obviously she's a model, a top model at that, and a part of the celebrity world of Kardashians, as you know. So I took a look at one of her outfits that she was wearing, and I just thought she looked absolutely gorgeous. If you'd like to know how I made Kendall Jenner's look, then please keep watching. This is the fabric that I'm going to be using to make the trousers. It is a white scuba fabric, and this is going to be perfect for today's look. Also for the top, I'm using this beautiful see-through cotton fabric, which will be a perfect combination. This is the layout of the trousers, and at the far back I've got the front of the band, and then on the second I've got the back of the band, and then side by side is the front and the back of the trousers. That's the first things first. So this is the back of the trousers. So that's the leg, and this is the curve. So this is what I'm joining, and I'm just using a 1 centimeter seam allowance, and I'm just placing it underneath the machine. A shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And this is the back area. So now, guys, that I've done the back, I am gonna join the front, and this is the front area. So I'm using the same method. So now that the front is joined, it will look like this. Now what I'm doing here, I'm just basically gonna join all the side seam. So with the back and the front, I'm just gonna go 1 centimeter down the legs. So here I'm sharing with you how I'm joining up one side of the leg, and I do have to do the same on the other side. So now that I've joined down the two outer side of the trousers leg, I also need to join the inner side of the legs. So I'm using the same 1 centimeter seam allowance. Now that I have finished sewing it up, I just wanted to quickly share with you what it looks like so far. So this is the back of the waistband where I would insert my elastic. I am so pleased, guys, to be sharing my creative side with you all. What's your creative side? Please leave that information in the comments down below. In my latest video, I made a Lizzo's dress. Please don't forget to check that out. Going down one side, I'm going to use this to insert my elastic by inserting it into the hole and just pulling it all the way through. So this is my front area, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to place this here, and then I'm just going to fold it back. An absolute pleasure for me to be sharing to you all my skills. So when I'm done, it will look like this. So now that I've sewn the other side, my waistband should look like this. So here I'm sharing with you how I'm putting the waistband onto the trousers by just using a 1 centimeter seam allowance. What is your fashion sense? Please leave that comment down below, because I'd love to hear what you're into. As you can see, I'm into the celebrities. I'd like to hear from you in the comments down below. It will look like this, and that's the back. Now I am working on the top. So what I'm doing here is just joining the side seam, so when my top's turned inside out, they both look like this. This is the actual arm for the top, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one like this. I'm just going to join it right the way down. And this is what it's going to look like when it's finished. So this is one arm. I'm just going to go ahead and join the other arm. Right guys, so this is the arm for the top, and that's the body and the arm. So what I've done, I went ahead and put this arm in. So I'm going to share with you guys how I put the other arm in, and I'm just going around. So when I'm done, I have my two arms in. So I have got the top on the dummy, and so far to me it looks fine. The only thing is sometimes when you put things on and it's not finished, you can't see the complete look. But yeah, this is it so far. And all that's left now for me to do is give it the lapel look. I'm not sure if I'm using the right word, but the bit that flaps over onto the top. So yeah, so this is it so far. First of all, I'm going to sew down one side of the seam. So I'm just going to go right the way across. How I want to achieve this look is by folding it over like that, and folding it inside out. So it ends up looking like that. So with the wrong side of the top and the flapped area, so it needs to go over like that, I'm just going to do a 1 centimeter seam allowance to join the two. So this is the finished look. I am happy with the way it turned out. I saw Kendall Jenner in this look and wanted to recreate the look myself. Kendall Jenner looks so stunning in the outfit, and my granddaughter as well. I did put some elastic on the flap area just to give it a different look. Please don't forget to subscribe, also leave me a comment, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Guys, looking so forward to see you in my next video. Bye guys!